Welcome to Latin Lookbook. Today we're in the craft studio exploring DIY Latin-inspired clothing hacks. Join us as we unleash your creativity and show you how to transform your wardrobe with vibrant colors, bold patterns, and Latin flair. We start with a classic DIY hack, embroidery. Learn how to add intricate embroidery to your plain denim jackets, jeans, or skirts, inspired by traditional Latin designs. With just a needle and thread, you can create stunning and personalized pieces that celebrate Latin culture. Next, we dive into the world of fabric paint and stenciling. Create your own custom prints and patterns inspired by Latin textiles and motifs. From floral designs to geometric shapes, the possibilities are endless. Experiment with different colors and techniques to make your garments truly unique. As we continue, we explore the art of fabric manipulation. Learn how to ruffle, gather, and pleat fabric to add texture and dimension to your clothing. Transform a simple t-shirt into a chic, off-the-shoulder top, or add ruffles to the hem of your skirt for a playful and feminine touch. Finally, we'll discuss the importance of accessories in completing your Latin-inspired look. Learn how to make your own statement earrings, beaded bracelets, or embroidered patches to add the finishing touches to your outfit. These handmade accessories are not only stylish, but also a reflection of your creativity and individuality. Join us in the craft studio for this exciting episode of Latin Lookbook and discover how to unleash your creativity with DIY Latin-inspired clothing hacks. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, these fun and easy projects will help you express your love for Latin culture through fashion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY fashion inspiration.